In the last month, Qualcomm introduced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, their latest flagship application processor, set to power high-end Android models in the upcoming year. Similar to last year, a special version of the chip is anticipated for Samsung's Galaxy handsets. The previous Galaxy variant, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, had a faster Prime CPU core than the non-Galaxy version. Although the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy hasn't been officially unveiled, tipster Yogesh Brar shared purported specs for both versions. According to Brar, the Galaxy variant SM8650AC will feature an octa-core setup with a Prime Cortex X4 CPU core running at 3.4 GHz, 5 performance Cortex S720 CPU cores at 3.15 GHz/2.96 GHz, and 2 efficiency Cortex A520 CPU cores at 2.27 GHz. Comparatively, the non-Galaxy variant SM8650AB has a Prime Cortex X4 CPU core at 3.3 GHz, 5 performance Cortex A720 CPU cores at 3.2 GHz/3 GHz, and 2 efficiency Cortex A520 CPU cores at 2.3 GHz. Brar suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will include an overclocked GPU for enhanced AI capabilities. If Brar's information is accurate, the Galaxy variant will have an overclocked Prime core and underclocked performance and efficiency cores, a departure from the previous year's model. The reason behind this change remains unclear. The discussion now shifts to whether Samsung will incorporate its deca-core Exynos 2400 into the Galaxy S24 series. Benchmark tests indicate that the non-Galaxy Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 outperforms the Exynos 2400, but the difference is relatively close. Rumors suggest that Samsung may deploy the Exynos 2400 in the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus globally, except in the US and China, where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will be used. Samsung might opt for an early unveiling with a January Unpacked event to compete more effectively with the high-performing iPhone 15 lineup. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.